And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Sunday, February 6, 2022. Approximate time is 11:31 p.m. And we're here at Villa Maria Metro, which of course is on the orange line of the Montreal Metro system. There's Décarie Boulevard right beside it, and the Décarie Expressway would be parallel to it at a lower level. There's the fencing for that. And I'm going to go into the metro station in a minute. I'm just going to show you what's happening around here because there's some renovations going on. And yeah, here's Décarie Boulevard. Look at this beautiful church here. I guess at one time it was a church, I'm not sure now. So yeah, we're going to go in a second. We'll just do a quick walk around. Of course, what's happening here is they're installing elevators. I think they're doing a few other things, touch-ups. And if you want to see a new flyer bus, which I still haven't filmed yet, and if I really want to, I could put in the effort and find one, thanks to the transittracker.ca website. This is a good place to find them. It's the 103 route specifically, which is around the corner here. But yeah, we'll go inside here. Yeah, so that whole entrance there in the front's obviously blocked off. And yeah, one of the things I like about this metro station is this little overhang here. You can see the escalators from here. Alright, so let's go down. One of the interesting things about this metro station, what I like, is this work of art here. Reminds me of Pac-Man. Here's another construction zone where the elevators will be. I like the colors of the station, the red, the shades of orange, and the yellow. It sort of has its unique branding to it. And of course, every metro station is unique in the network. That's what makes the Montreal Metro so interesting. And that ventilation shaft I was pointing out to before, there's where it leads to right here. So these elevators are going to be on this side and this side here as well, in this location, I believe. And this is the platform right here. Yeah, look up there, you can see the details of the vent shaft. Pretty cool. Alright, have a good night everybody. More videos to come.